asked for nothing. You sing to my heart, a light in the dark. True friends never part, everything to gain, love sublime, always there, true love smiles through time. The eternal whisper is yours. Listen, because it is there, running through every structure of your life. Make your world within your world, and all your parallels vibrate to the same tune. Harmony in infinity is yours. Balance your changes until they reach their conclusion. Find and master your pattern until it evolves. Bring the elements of your life together. Let the rest take care of itself. See you later, pussycats. Meow.